How garlic helps for weight loss. Garlic is an indispensable part of the Indian kitchen as it is often craved by recipes to enhance its aroma and taste. Apart from increasing the taste of the food, the herb is known to aid weight loss. Its beneficial ingredients such as vitamin B6 and C, fiber, calcium, protein, and manganese play a major role in burning unwanted health-deteriorating fat. Adding garlic into your diet helps boost energy levels and increases metabolism, burning fat efficiently. It also acts as an amazing detoxifying agent by flushing out toxins that are a hindrance to the digestive system. Below are a few homemade recipes that will aid weight loss and can be made with little to no preparation. Begin by consuming garlic in your daily routine. 1. Garlic with lime juice. Garlic and lemon. Take lukewarm water, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 to 2 pieces of crushed garlic cloves to it. Mix and drink while it's still warm. This heavenly combination of both ingredients will not only help in stimulating weight loss but also help in reducing free radical damage and improve immunity due to the presence of vitamin C. 2. Raw garlic and honey. Take 2 to 3 garlic cloves, peel off their outer skin. Crush the peeled cloves and then mix it with honey. Allow the mixture to sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then consume the concoction thereafter. This mixture helps to improve immunity and reduce the risk of seasonal cold and cough. 3. Ginger, garlic, and lemon tea. Take 1 to 2 pieces of garlic clove, add a small piece of ginger to it. Grind them to get a fine paste. Now, boil about 2 glasses of water in a pot and add the paste to the pot of boiling water. Let the whole concoction boil for about 5 minutes. Cover the concoction and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and simultaneously add lemon juice to it. If you do not like the taste of the concoction, add some honey to it to enhance the flavor. This mixture largely aids digestion and helps flush out toxins from the body. 4. Unpeeled garlic cloves covered in honey. Raw garlic and honey. For this recipe, remove the outermost layer, make sure you do not peel the clove cover. Now, take a mason jar and add 3 to 4 cloves inside it and pour raw honey over it. For the next few days, store the combination of the two, leaving it in the refrigerator. Let the goodness of the two infuse and then consume the magical combination on an empty stomach. In the long run, this mixture will help to improve your overall immunity, heart health, and skin health. 5. Garlic milk benefits. Garlic milk? This magic potion is not known to many. This recipe will aid in weight loss and will help in keeping your gut healthy and happy. 1 cup of fresh milk. 5 to 6 garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Pinch of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon organic honey, to enhance taste. Crush the garlic cloves or grind it. To maximize health benefits, crush the garlic at room temperature and allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes to trigger an enzyme reaction that boosts the healthy compounds in garlic. Now, heat milk in a pan and allow it to boil. To the boiling milk, add the crushed garlic and then add black pepper and turmeric. Simmer on low heat till the garlic is softened. Take off heat and strain the mixture through a strainer. Drink the mixture when lukewarm, with a teaspoon of honey to enhance the taste. This recipe helps in improving overall digestion and reduces migraine pain drastically.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,